Yeah, unfortunately, into art when Abram, when we were supposed to be supported, even if I don't mention names, but we were derailed, man. We were derailed. Somehow, our municipality told us ukuthi now we need to pay for wall, basitoshe ikolweni. And we were like, we are still in school, Tina, ourselves. How are we going to pay rent as a tennis court? Uma ngabe ngisasesikolweni, yabona. So that's where the downfall started. Yabona, art. Because nathi qale yasenza saluza the interest. Uma sifike tennis court, ama-gate avaliwe. We're supposed to go esibhedlele siyobhadala. Yabona, I think they wanted us to pay
7 8 we dey move every step my feet they touch the ground, I feel 730 kilometers. No be small thing, but we dey go from village to village, door to door. Waiting we carry a message.
Molweni Khaya. Welcome to another episode. We are on Leadership Inside. Today, ngiphethe irecruitment lam. Ndimbiza ngomfo, but igama lakhe nguta gift or ngumpho Mukwena. Ngibhudu chatileyo ke. Ningamjoki. Yeah, but ngokokumazi kwami ukufaka kwami eGauteng, he was majoring into artists kakhulu. Be it again bekanawo amanye ama-hustles abewayenza, but then he was into i-artist kakhulu. You talk of i-drama or i-acting, uzomfumana khona. You talk of i-dance, be it it's your pantsula or your traditional dance or your spiritual dance, any dance nje wawuzomfumana khona. Namanye ama-events, your poetry that are under i-art. He's one of the people that made sure Bangaba Itogoza is there on the map. Recruitment Crane.
Broadly speaking, art.
Yeah.
Nakho mfo.
Yeah. Kudala ndikubhuqa.
Yeah.
Dala ndikubhuqa. A lot has been happening from the moment in Qalan City. I wish singahlala phansi sike sithethe. I'm one person okhulele. Okay, I grew up in the Eastern Cape, but then ubutsha bam oqabuka kwami uqabukele senilapha eGauteng. So most or zonke izinto endizaziyo ndizazi from experience that I have had or I'm having apha eGauteng. I remember sasese cause ukufika kwami ngifike ndaye eTCC. I joined the church phayana. We would have sessions with drama, sessions with music, your clap and tape. But then a lot has changed.
Yeah.
Ever since. Zininzi izinto ezachinja. Social media yaba introduced yayenza izinto that are sometimes competing with umsebenzi sasiwenza back in the days. Yabo. I want us to actually reflect on how art was back then and how it is now. But before that, I'm the only one that actually knows you between maybe kubantu ababukeleyo ngoku so far. Ngicela a briefing yana kahle kahle uba ngaba uta gifty kubani and how you got into art. Because that's what sizothetha ngayo isikakhulu.
Ne.
Yeah.
No, ngiyabonga bafo. MK, yemfo. Mina ngazi into. Ngikwazi igama lakho yemfo. Okunye nokunye ngidophe endleleni. Uyayibona. Akusenani futhi but by the way then my real name ngumpho.
Sure.
Yeah, go ID Mpho Mukwena. Gift baliphendula e-primary. Because they were looking for an English name.
Sure.
And the lang bayizisa legama. Yabona.
Because now we know the gift.
Yeah, lang bayizisa nokugijima benkhona kuma athlete.
Okay.
I remember when I was supposed to yakhumbula ama USASA card. wokugijima yangibhayizisa mina mangiqeda ukuwina lapha eJoburg a trip to Durban ngabhalisa ugift because nambe sekuhlezi ugift yayibona mabafika esikolweni bazofuna ugift umkwena only to find into that school umuntu ogijimayo umpho umkwena.
But it's the
I
same
lost
word,
that
just the
tree.
language.
Angithi ID tells a lot. Yeah. Coming back, prior to, I'm not sure what we'll be selling if we say the full name of TCC.
Yeah. No, there's nothing bad. This is what it is.
Nothing bad.
Yeah, there's
TCC
nothing bad.
ithokoza Christian Church.
Yeah.
La besonta khona, yebona. La sisonta khona actually.
Okay.
Yebona, and I'm still blessed under the leadership. Yebona. And yes, mangithi prior to that ukufika kwami TCC besengina almost 15 years back. Yayibona ngiloko ngiphethe lento yeart ingizwisa ubhlungu wena bafo ingizwisa ubhlungu because I thought ukuthi it's going to be my breakthrough, and somehow I was into my age group at that time. I was one of the luckiest ukufika eSABC ngifike ngikhothamelwa ama artist amakhulu yayibona cause kimi art noma ngiyele esikolweni but into ukuthi naturally phakathi kwimi mangithi broadly speaking sports, arts, culture and recreation yabo. You give me rugby ngishap, you give me athlete ngishap, you give me soccer ngishap yabo. Masikhuluma ngeart, music, tap and clap yabona, acting from the sketch because acting abantu bayikhe emoyeni yayibona, especially the drama side yayibona ukuthi na icala kuphi, icala from the sketch iye stage until izefike screening yabona. As long as ungazi ama corner of the stage then ulimele. As long ungakhonanga ukuthi ungene eclassini ukufundiswa ukuthi na lento ibizwani le ku art lento asitsho ukuthi chest, this is department. And masity department sizama ukuthi sikhave both males and females yabona ukuthi na your department up sikhuluma ngechest sizama ukuthi sikhave nokuthi breast. Yayibona le
breast up,
chest up, you need to respect those things. So iart ine language yayo kakhulu wena bafo yabona. Uma mina ngi out ekhulele Sprite.
Okay.
Yeah, ekhaya kuse Sprite ephake. I came here as a young man yabona. Then uma ngifika since sicala ngiqale ngeGumboots dance.
Okay.
Back then I think it was 95 96. Sitting primary school yayibona from asiyekele yayibona. Yeah, we were still about twinking ngaleso sikhathi angazi yeah, bese primary school at that time uma siyenza that thing. Then mangifike high school eTisetsong bese ke ngiyazi indaba zami. Yayibona. Then I jumped very fast into leadership yayibona. Ngaqala ngazivulela ama groups wami saye tennis court yayibona. Then we were under the leadership of the late Mr. Duncan.
Okay.
Yayibona. Mr. Duncan he was a leader. That person taught us a lot yabona, but bengisanukela ngaleso sikhathi ngapha because whatever that I used to touch it used to turn into a gold.
True.
Ngapha ngukarati under the leadership of Sensei Tshepo elandulwazi ngimnandi nakukarati bafo. I wish ngathi there was a seer at that time who could see inside you ukuthi lo muntu kulo uphethe into eningi, but I need to channel this person ukuthi can we concentrate on this because lo makangibiza athi ngizoyenza so bengishapa yabona. Lo mabangibiza athi ngizoyenza so bengishapa wena bro yabona. To such an extent nasekasi into enzesekasi iali benginswembu kakhulu izwiphi bekinswebo
Yeah.
kakhulu. And my appearance, it doesn't show lokusa lokuyanyana because it used to close a lot of things. Kimi yabona. And I think it also helped me to a lot of things because that cover, I would use it into my advantage. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi hayi, let me run away from them. Kanti vele I'm running away from them. Yabona. Yeah, unfortunately, into art when Abram, when we were supposed to be supported, even if I don't mention names, yabona, but we were derailed, man. Yabona. We were derailed. Somehow, our municipality told us ukuthi now we need to pay for our wall. Basitoshe ikolweni. And we were like, we are still in school, Tina, ourselves. How are we going to pay rent as a tennis court? Uma ngabe ngisasesikolweni, yabona. So that's where the downfall started. Yabona, art. Because nasi nathi qale yasenza saluza the interest. Uma sifike tennis court, ama-gate avaliwe. We're supposed to go esibhedlele siyobhadala. Yabona, I think they wanted us to pay 45 so 75 rand per week. Ngizoyithatha happy uma ukuthi ngihluleka nokukhera i5 rand per day. Yabona. And then I'm a child myself. I don't even know about the finance. All I know ukuhlanganisa labantwana bengine a group esikolweni, ngine group outside the school. So lesikhathi lesi bebaqabanga ukuthi siyasimosha, ilesikhathi lesi abantwana bebashaphu ngaso. Yayibona, bebashaphu ngaso. And ukuthi thina lezi zinto lezi ezinye sizifundele saziyenzani. Yes, at that time, as I explained, because maybe people will be confused ukuthi uzifundele kanjani usasesikolweni. Ngishilo, I think when I started to go to it was a talent, given talent when it started. Then later, mangiqeda grade 12, for then I went to ngiyoyifundela. I went to ngiyoyifundela. Bengise under isikolo saka Mr. Paul Rapetswa. Mr. Paul Rapetswa uyaziwa kakhulu eLimpopo. He's also a presenter kumtsweding FM. When he's a well-known, he's a legend. He's a legendary nje. Bekashaya itori as ama radio. He also gave me my breakthrough when ESA FM iqala. We were, I'm not sure, the first or the second crew. Shaya story. Go SAFM. Sashaya under the leadership yaga Mr. Paul Rapetswa. I've been kuma groups afana nabo umoja behind the scene. Behind the scene, I've been go some of the productions in Emagate Theatre. Under the leadership yaga the late Mike, Mr. Mike Begala Paya Esprit. At center. Mr. Mike anabo Mr. Mandla ohlala ngapha ngase Everest. I'm trying to recall the story and the production, but we were rehearsing laphaya Emagate Theatre ngase baseline. So it was a lot, man. It was a lot when abafo. And I was under a school amongst us primary. We had an opportunity. Umama khona bebambiza Anna Maria dos Santos. I still remember her. She would take us once a week or twice a week siya eBoxburg asifundise art. We obtained other certificates there. Through art mangiloko ngihamba, then I started nabantwana ngibahambisa. Most of my trips were around Free State. Dumela Free State bangazi. Bangazi mangabe uyafika le podcast le uzayithola ama likes uzayithola ama views. When they see this face they know, because la bengifika khona bengafiki ngishaya into enhle kuphela, bengishiya nento enhle. Ngize ngiphane ngama clinics for free. yayibona uma sikhuluma nge-facilitation ku-art sithi ama-clinics yayibona while because besikhempele ey'kolweni yabo abazali bebangitrusta ngabantwana and at that time bengiqeda ukuqeda nesikolo, so you can understand I was still young myself yabona, but I could carry a group of 20 to 25 yabantwana abazali bababhadalele ngiye nabo. I've been to Paris, I've been to Frankfurt, I've been to Tomahole, I've been to KZN, I've been to Mpumalanga. Nalabantwana abazali nje bangithemba yabona. The biggest festival Free State ibizwa iKento. iKento beyise eFrankfurt eTumahole Hall yayibona lapha bengithi masifika nje abazali bese basithanda abazali base Free State esingabazi, so thola uma siza bathi sitshele bana barono kaleyadla, so thi sifika sithole basibakele amakhekhe nge20 liter, basenzele inkukhu, basenzele ini basenzele yonke, no driver wethu asiphe ne discount mfowethu. Bekasithandela nje ukuyoshaya abantu eFree State yayibona. When I count ama trophy ngalabantwana engihambe nabo lapha endlini, I'm counting over 70 yama trophies wawinile, ama medals, ama certificate, each and every competition besimake sure ukuthi na a best director iphuma la, if not a best conductor, if not a best singer, if not a best dancer, one of those bekumele ziphume yayibona. Then kuma items at least, because besinama item amaningi groupini, we were doing modern dance, under modern dance we were doing contemporary, we were doing fusion, we were doing pantsula, besenza isibhujwa ngesikhathi sabizwa isibhujwa yayibona lento le. Then under music we were doing tap and clap, gospel and tradition yabona, besenza iZulu dance, senza iPedi dance, senza iTswana dance, then senza idrama. Angifuni ukuthi yayibona isipantsula ngaphi drama. I used to make sure ukuthi na siza ne script, siyas interrogator, because I wanted them to learn ama corners of the stage. Singayenzi kuphela siya actor senzani, but we would interrogate the story. And what makes a good director to be the best director, it's your artist. I think most yabantu ababoni leyo nto yabona ukuthi as long as you take allow your artist ukuthi nabaze ngama idea, at the end mangime la, it's not them, it's me who takes credits. So abantu they feel that kuma artist wabo kuma ku leadership yabo ukuthi babavumele baze with those ideas. Who was presenter? And the most presenter, it's you who's going to take that fame. Yes, still recognizing them. Ukuthi na under my leadership or under my group.
I think abantu ababhaya, they tend to actually misunderstand ukuthi who's either your target audience or your target whatever, because i-target audience ye leader neye artist or neye performer cannot be umuntu oyi-one.
Cannot.
But you find ama leaders amaninzi competing nama performers because but guys i-art
and mind you, being leader, you don't start to be a leader. You become a performer or an artist first. At the later stage, you earn it. No more ngazalwa nayo, but somebody has to recognize you, acknowledge you, and give you the position with the permission. So
I remember ngisase TCC. I was the first one ukufika TCC kunawe and I remember we would speak about you, more especially back nama events where you die in Zwayo. No man, there's this person, there's this person, or wenzana izinto so of which they are 100% aligning with what we are doing up at church. And few months later, I will now gift guy. And this person is also doing these things and uzozenza kai church. How was I don't know ukuthi nizoyibiza nge-journey or what, but I'm interested in it from the beginning kwi-recruitment yakho, how you spotted or discovered ETCC, and then waba like, that's where I want to go.
There's a friend of mine lapha eTCC, Simon.
Okay.
Simon Mufukeng. That guy, he's so persistent. He followed me for almost 3 years. Aloka ngitshela ngokuthi indoda ngifuna ukuthi uze TCC lento le, it has to go with the Holy Spirit. I couldn't understand. Ngitshela ngeHoly Spirit
Holy
indoda.
Spirit.
Yayibona thina
Yeah.
we are doing cultures and nini bazalani nithi culture is demons,
It's
what
demons,
and
yeah,
what
yeah.
and what yabo. Yeah, ngamroundisa bengiza nje maso perform TCC then sihambe. Yabona. What hooked me at TCC is the youth. TCC isonto le youth. It dominates youth. So give me, I saw an opportunity to say, because outside the church abazali bese bacala bangibhayizisa. Yabona. Abantwana sebengasezi ema groupini. Yabona, because of the things that are happening outside. Yabona. Unfortunately, one potato ibolisa wonke. Yabona. So I was called amongst those. Yabona.
Okay.
But because I still love the art, not no. Let me go esontweni and listen ukuthi now what is the requirement to go. Yabona. And the requirement was easy. Simple.
Yeah.
Whatever that you were doing outside, you are still going to do here, but under the Holy Spirit. I said, no. Let me follow it. Let me see. It worked.
It worked.
It worked.
Yeah.
Because I remember when we counted the stats, manje, as a youth, we were counting 240 something. Esamantwana
Abantu abasha.
abasha.
Yo.
And as ngisho ukuthi broadly speaking art, it didn't only inspire esayidini le art. It rose or yes, yavusa isoka. Yabona.
Yeah.
Yavusa isoka.
Yeah. I remember ukukhompyutha kwama-churches kwindaba zesoka, that was introduced by ETCC.
By ETCC.
Yeah.
We went to all these churches telling them
Childish.
our calendar event ukuthi
Yeah.
nasifuna ihambe kanjani eyesonto. Yayibona. And mind you, kulama player besinawo kusoka, ama player bewadlala ku these big tournaments. And they used to respect us to say, guys, uma ngeze esontweni anina game andlali. And they would attend the they thought ukuthi they are attending the church ukuthi bazibathole ischeme, but babazithola sebekhona ukuza 4 weeks in a month
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
ukuthi ischeme akhona ukusithola.
Akhona ukusithola.
Same thing ku art, they thought ukuthi na uma ngabe angikho esontweni angeke ngiqule. By that they were saved because now besise esontweni Monday to Monday. To such an extent, some missed a recording deal. I'm not sure what was so that choir when we went to Jamestown. We went to auditions, sprayed.
Okay.
We won the auditions, and they told us that we should go to Jamestown. There will be a competition. In that competition, you were winning a recording deal. Unfortunately, with protocol yasesontweni, we didn't make it in time because now the pastor could only release us at 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock we were supposed to be on stage.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, leadership when it says you cannot do on your
cannot do
own,
on your
yeah,
own.
one, or in your own way.
Yeah. Ne.
You need to abide. Somehow had safosta saya kube safika in time, but because of the leadership's blessings so besingabe singayitholanga, we don't know what would have happened.
Yeah,
Yabona. Yeah, mara ke we wished to be there.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, whatever that we prepared laphaya, it was different kulama choir bewacula laphaya. because amacala okukhwaye bewacula laphaya bekwamakhwaye wasekasi were the only that is coming, especially in the gospel side.
Okay. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Okay. Welcome back, Bafetu. We are on leadership inside. Remember, Ithim this year, it's accountability. But the gift is not here to account. We are just talking about art, reflecting on each journey with art, and how has it changed or evolved ukusukela back in the days to now, and the effect here social media, especially kuma artists nemisebenzi yawo ukuthi social media it's either ibancedile or iba-destroyile. I don't know. We will find out, God. We will find out. Mfo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sasekhona mfo.
Sasekhona mfo.
You've mentioned indaba ye leadership, especially when you referenced the event that was taking place at Jimistin, and you couldn't go because you could not go without a blessing your leadership. To me, that confirms ukubangaba you acknowledge leadership, and you follow and you respect leadership. What does leadership mean to you personally?
Indlela ibuza kwaba phambili.
Yeah. Okay.
Akekho umntwana ovela sekathi nyazi.
Yes.
Yeah. Leadership is always a person who one step ahead kuwe. Being it nge-age, being it nge-knowledge. Yabona?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody ongathi I've been there. So when you touch that, uzolimala. Yabona? It's not ukuthi wena because you've tasted it before him, but it is him who saw it before you. Okay. So whenever ukhuluma under experience. So that person has experience, is a leader kuwe.
Yeah.
A leader is not somebody that went to school, but it's somebody who says, Magat, sometimes you are there without asking. Magat, agana na even the answer of why at but because we are born ukuthi la uyakhona uzolimala. And once uzombuza ukuthi why then uzomwisa amamendleni, because into ayaziyo ukuthi la uyakhona uyolimala but kanjani akazi. And should you force uye, you might ulimale la uyakhona. Uma sowulimele ukhohlwe nokuthi khona umuntu othi
Yeah.
ukhale ku those who are present at that time ukuthi why ningangijelanga, kanti those people are not the right people. You found them there, but somebody foresee it before it happens.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yakuthiwa siyofa. Yeah. Yeah. You've actually explained it in a manner yokuba even if I thought I knew leadership, I felt like I still needed to know bangaba kahle indoni leadership. And by this answer uqobonikeza yona ngoku it shows bangaba there's still a lot to learn.
Yeah.
There's still a lot to learn. We were speaking about ama events, nama programs that you were doing. When we referenced their program that was taking place at Jimistin. Ngawapi ama programs that you've done ashine for wena to this day, especially the ITCC, because I'm asking and specifically about ITCC because I can relate to my programs that you've done because it's a wazwog.
Okay.
Yeah.
OTC concentrate only ku TCC.
We don't have to concentrate payana, but let's dwell payana iskakhulu.
Laphayane. Going out nje before TCC engayi counter It's 2010. Yeah, 2010. And ingizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu mayiqeda that event. World Cup. I got a deal kuma hotel, on the hotel side. Na kuma parks. Kuma parks bengihamba nenye I group yase Greenfield, a choir. Greenfield Gospel Choir, if I'm not mistaken.
Ndiyakhumbula.
Yes. Ngabapha ilote ezama parks. And they were happy because ama-checks bebebhatala ngama-checks. Uma waphuma ama-checks wakhona, they even trusted me to say sicela uyositshintshela wona. Ngabachintshela then ngababonisa imali. And till today azange bangikhombe ngomuntu ukuthi wena wadla imali yethu. They were very happy. Imali yalwisa. Yabona. So the sad part hile eyam because when ivela ku group yam I was already working and it happened during the working days. So I gave another leader this opportunity to say bafo ngine group but the group yam aina leadership. I gave this group, I won't mention names, the name of that group and the leader. That leader to say leader asidle na opportunity. Ngithole deal yama hotel wase Sandton. Ngicela uhambe nazi na intwana zami uthathe ne group yakho. Then uzohlangana nabantu abasoso, so I think I had 10 gigs. Ukuthi nama uya kule hotel uzohlangana nomuntu so wena nje just sign and bring to me. Unfortunately umuntu that guy went to first gig, second gig wabuya wathi hayi ziyathatha ngathi ngiyabonga mangabe sizatha bafo so dla si2 and I won't give you a certain percentage, we're going to go half sa AS3 AS4 ngiyabona ukuthi babona ukuthi na or makafika la yapha bekakhuluma language engayicafe yayibona. AS5 makumelaye wangitshela ukuthi hayi mfethu mina sebangibhadela. Hawo bakubhadala kanjani because yimi engise ipaperwork yami ngalama gig I10 I was supposed to get 90,000.
So what were they doing? A parking or hotel?
Kuma hotel straight beba performela ama tourists.
Tourists,
angena nama guests aphakathi kuma hotel. Just go entrance lapha ya. Yabona. So they had ama schedule swabo ukuthi ngelanga so. When that leadership eza kimi what bambhadele 8,000 na this 4 gigs. That's nothing.
Compared
and
to the 90,000
to 90,000 we were going to get. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi yena seka sharp. And manje gimme it was a decision yokuthi ngeke umsebenzi ngiyachubeka or ngiyawa forfeit those gigs ezisele. Yabona. Luckily and unfortunately bengisaziphathela abantwana besikolo. So they were not after money like udla imali yethu wenzeni. They understood and they understood their assignment ukuthi cause the one boy bengathi bekasamdala bekangitshela ukuthi hayi man utasibani singamention amagama utasibani ukhuluma nalabantu emasayidini and akasayini le paper lelo mnikelo wona usayini lakhe esayidini. So that means each gig wayidla nge 2,000 compared to 20,000.
And now whoever bebamnikeza i-budget for that wavela wabona ukuthi yiwin le.
Ukusuka the person ebengilayeza naye wavele waqima ifone watshintsha iSIM card bekahlala eJoburg wasuka endaweni emehlweni. But ke ezinye izinto ubheka impilo yakho phambili ukuthi where there's money there's war. Yeah, there's traffic, lot of traffic. So yeah, there's a lot of traffic. So I just decided to go to let me leave it, it's fine.
Okay.
Yabona gini bantwana bam asiyithathe ngokuthi beku-exposure, even if khona manje when you explain the word exposure alisekho mnandi. Back then belimnandi mawuthi we are going to expose you. You are going to meet a lot of artists. It was understandable, not much.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to TCC.
Okay.
Yeah, good deep with that. Let's go to TCC.
It's deep, ne?
Yeah.
Good
yeah.
TCC, my biggest highlight, it was Umangenzi event. Amakwaya, mass choir. Bringing amakwaya wasekas eweTepentlep into gospel. Because when I approached those choirs, the first question was, how are you going to emerge abazalwane? Nabantu abazobe baza ngesigubhu bazo Tepentlek bafake intambo isport stall bazobe baphatha amaphayiphayi
Yeah, and babesiba nomoya ke bakhwayeni kweKlepentep.
yayibona
Yo.
and ngithe when I sell we were lucky lapha at TCC. We had a young leader in front of us, Mr. Abel Mavoso, our council officer. That pastor, he used to say, whatever that you have, run it, Gim. If it's not doable, we'll make it to doable. Then I ran the idea going. At first, he loved it.
Yeah.
Then into esizalwa ngayo ukuthi they should be position 1, position 2, position 3. Wathi ndoda uyazi esontweni akuna win akuna loser, we are all losers. So this money, if it's 3,000, will be shared amongst the best 3 choirs.
Okay.
Yeah, we fought a lot. Then he gave me an ultimatum. It's either this way or there's no competition.
Yeah.
Because now I need to report, and I want reporting ukuthi kuwine bani sizothi the best way.
The best way. I was there.
You were
because
there.
I remember I was worship team because it was also singing,
part of
Leandro
yes,
Lea.
yes.
And then same time then choir from the Klepentep.
From Tepentlep.
I'm looking
Konje was-
GG uniform.
Yes. The choir name, the name of that choir. And I remember because nga invite 15 choirs.
Yeah.
15 choirs. People were surprised. People were happy. People were amazed. They had all this feelings. It was mixed feelings inside the church.
Yeah,
Ukuthi,
yeah.
This guy bringing Klepentep, because now the first question into the community was, Lesonto, sekuza abantu besambatho manje.
Hey.
Yabona? Because there was Zion there. There was apostle, all this 12 apostle, old apostle, the choirs themselves inside the community. It was massive. Mind you, we were still under a tent at the time.
Yeah.
But the capacity of our tent, it was massive.
It was
also.
massive.
Because I think the capacity was 1,000 to 1,002. And science mali. Science mali.
Yeah, inkulu leya event.
It was
Yeah, the
big.
event was
it was
big, yeah.
big. When I sold that idea, because we went to each and every rehearsal times, Zabo, selling the idea until Bazabai understand what we meant. And say producer, the way we sold it to them, they were very delighted.
Ne. Yeah, that was big. But you know what's my highlight ku events ozenzileyo la TCC for me? Okay, obviously singabantu si connecta ngendlela ezingafani mahote one. Yabona leya piece uyishaya noSiphuna. I tell you to this day I don't know if is it the sound effects or uzifakile da maniyenza Yo.
Eish, we worked, man, go that piece.
Yeah, and yeah,
And
naspana.
mind you, that piece bengiphuma esikoleni sa the legendary Paul Rapetswa. So the style Nagim, it was different because he took us back kumatlas wakhe. We were more into modern acting. He took us back into melodrama.
Okay.
Melodrama yabo Gibson Kente,
Yeah.
where you need to express yourself, whatever that you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say you go 100%. The experimental drama, it says leave 5% just in case muscles stage uyalokho yenzani. This 5% can go into stage, tap you and say come back.
And say come back.
But Mr. Paul Rapetswa, the very same melodrama he was giving, he turned it into experimental drama. Lapho ukuthi na it says watch me no matter what.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, Yvonne.
Yeah.
We were
Yeah,
playing,
yeah.
and what made us to be more special, besi performeli tulo. Actually, stulo before se move, you are not getting off the stage. Visually, so you need to see the stage, the chair moving. And we couldn't understand until we understood the assignment.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when we see the audience, because now, uma ubona abantu abayi-3 bazokubhekelela, it was a crowd. Ma ubona abantu abayi-5 bazokubhekelela, you are purchasing now. When you see more than 100 yabantu bazokubhekelela, it was a massive bonus. So be happy ngabantu abayi-3.
About 3.
Plural start from 2.
Okay. Yeah,
So
true.
be happy ngabantu abayi-3 bazokubhekelela, so that when you get 5 uyazi ukuthi into yakho iyashaya.
Yeah, mfo. Okay. Yabona masesi refer to especially to that act enanishayile rana esiphuna. I don't know, man. Babengashoot TCC back then.
Bewangabi khona ama-camera.
Bekeke ngabikho ama-camera.
And namafoni bewangabi advanced.
Yeah, to this level, yeah,
to
no.
this level, to
Yo.
this knowledge wena from. Eish. Manje you make me cry manje yabona. And mind you, I don't know. I don't have history of my work.
Yeah.
But I believe ukuthi such podcast they may, those who have ama sponsor man ngishutele.
Can in something.
I didn't
Yeah.
put them go Facebook, put them go Twitter, put them here.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't. I won't say I didn't have time, but on the technology side, I didn't mind, or I can say I was too ignorant. Let me put it that way.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
To record and to keep my archives.
And ukhumbule back then lento yokurecorda and all of that sasicinga uba yenziwa ngama-big companies kuphela. If ever your SABC or your ETV is not coming to do izinto so you just know ukuthi yeah, okay, until ama-churches I-introduce le nto ukuthi sizozishutela amasonto wethu, then that's when it slowly came to us. Yeah, shem isikhathi besingavumi.
You are still talking about the highlights.
Yeah.
Now this is my best highlight.
Okay.
I'm not sure how much you know me. Ukuthi I've been to Atlanta. I've been to Los Angeles. I've been to France. There's a school bengoso.
But you've never shared.
Yes. And it's social media, ne?
Yeah.
Social media. Abayaziyo man commentani ku MK. Abangaziyo commentani.
Okay.
I was under the school Ituten Trust. The legendary Mama Jeki.
Okay.
Mama Jeki first born yakhe uJubjub. then onabanye abantwana ke
Chup Chup artist.
Chup Chup
The-
artist
Yachola 99.
yajola 99
Okay.
i-firstborn kalomama. Our leadership lapha yabeku Ronnie Nyakala, Papa Action, Cosmo. He was our leader kule sikolo lesiya.
Okay.
Yeah, he was our leader. I was fortunate because that school was dominated by abantwana baseSoweto, Nevali. Yes, eThokoza we started something. Yafika yayenza history eSoweto. I was fortunate to be one of the leader into that school. I was fortunate to be around abantwana, the 25 students that were chosen to go to Los Angeles by Chris Tucker, paid fully for us a ticket.
Rush Hour Crystal.
The Rush Hour Chris Tucker.
Yeah.
I want the name of that hall. The San, I will remember the name.
Okay.
The famous San Francisco. The famous San Francisco hall.
Yeah.
We were performing there. Guma Image Awards. It was.
Phelela wolo silibone.
Abanento go through that social media. go to Google. It was Image wa 2005. The Etuton Trust the item being bese with different items. Mini item when you perform it was campus dance. Bengsana dreads.
Okay.
Wearing a white overall. The likes of all the artists, when your Brad Pitt, when your Oprah, your Beyonce's, they were there and they appreciated us for. I just forgot the name of the hotel ebesilala kuyo, but it was next to bebhekane USA College. To go there, labafana abancane bafika ingathi it's a joke mhlawumbe this time asengikhuluma ku social media. Labafana abancane bafika inyawo zivuvukile ziphume phakathi kwamateki, amateki abhamukile. Because they didn't know each and every 2 hours a flight in you need to stand up, walk.
Okay.
Yeah, for the blood to flow. For the blood to flow. Yeah. In South African Airways is this. Everything was being paid for inside.
Yo.
From here, South Africa, flight border border eGhana. Ifike stop eGhana, I mean to say. Mayifike eGhana iyasearchwa full search. Niphuma zwap by search. From there it borders Pacific Ocean izobe iyoma Philadelphia. In New York.
Yeah, yaboma suthetha ngamanye amakhaya tata. Hayi.
In New York.
Sure.
I think if
sure.
I'm not mistaken it's 18 hours. Usemoyeni.
Okay.
So
I'm
you
aware
can
of
just
that.
imagine.
Yo.
Uma ifika ayi straight to Los Angeles. It borders through Las Vegas. Maufika Las Vegas, you take another flight. So to go to Los Angeles, uma ungaphumi nge-Atlanta, uyishaya nge-Philadelphia, you take 3 flights to get to Los Angeles.
Sure.
So we had that opportunity. Hence ngithi mina bengidinga nje umuntu ongangibona anginukele. Ngishapho na bro, I'm not claiming. Angishapha, I'm not claiming.
I know.
If-
That's the thing I know.
If one of the artists
I know.
who's busy with a certain script somewhere, come test me. Mina ngakenzela ama viewers. I didn't have that opportunity. When uGugu no Andile izoyenzwa la iThokoza or rekhona into evinjiwe kimi kanjani, I was there. I auditioned, I got a call up. When we were rehearsing, somehow we were stopped. Then somehow we saw into Istory Sesidlala.
Yeah, yeah.
When Bang Bang was shot in a hostel, I was there. But when Istory Sivela, somehow amaphisi wethu akhathiwe. So the Menzingubani, the late legendary Menzingubani, umakashuta in Ndozi.
Yeah, yeah.
Ezinye sengiyazikhohlwa because I think I'm starting to lose touch ne-art ngenxa yokuthi ngifuna ukukhohlwa. Sometimes when I think about it, I just cry alone. When I think the talent that I have. And now, the problem is one. AI ifikile wena bro. Most yama-artists ohlangana nawe into TV. Ama-artists were Facebook.
True.
Luckily, they got that scholarship. Luckily, kubo kunemali ukhonile ukuya waya wayofunda. But ayikho lento. The art, the drama doesn't start into shooting. It starts with stage. Once you understand the stage, you convert the real audience into a TV, into cameras. When you get into ama camera, seba polisha nje because drama on stage, go acting, you emphasize.
Yeah.
So that the audience can hear. Sekupolisha nje, come back, yehlisa voice yenzani la. But you can see a artist ephuma a stage, ne artist ephuma classini, yeah, go shooting straight.
I look at what's this show? I would watch it ku Showmax. I think it was paying on DSTV. If I said lali now no. Deep City. I think it's Deep City. Show yakhona, you know it.
I know, but bengayibukeli. Yeah, Showmax bengayibhadali wena mfo.
And then kukhona this gentleman la ku Deep City. I don't know his name. Miye kumgedeza. Usaifo, Miguel Usaifo Mgedeza. He's legend.
Sikhuluma ngama-artist yazi ezinye izinto askisi to say this one Abramne. I'm not mentioning Mahotman wam Mahotman. Yabona, even if you do not have English, but uma uphume stage, that's your English.
Yeah.
It will fight for you.
Yeah. This gentleman bam actisa ukuba makabe ngumfundisi la kule show le kule Deep City pastor.
Deep City, yes.
Pastor
Deep City bengadlali ku Showmax.
Yeah. I watched it
bedlala or before bedlala ku 161 yes ku DS bedlala ku 161. Yeah, but Pastor Charleston. Yes.
That guy gives me a presentation in a background. Theater.
Yet hensing it, you can tell.
Yeah.
Artist
yeah. Yo, I tell you, kuyumlo lenzi bangaba manthande le show le. Yo.
It's rare to find a character fana neyaka Cosmo. Mele ifite go a soap like our generation. Because iphathi yobugebengu enjalo ayikhe iphathi yobugebengu efana nebo Jack Mabaso. Jack Mabaso is from stage, the legendary take but sengiyabonisa nje. Ronnie, he was my leader, as I said, a student trust.
Sure.
Yes. And Victor Mohale. That guy.
Yeah.
Hey, that guy. Rodney Nyakale, that's his name and surname. Uyilento from Ekasi. So you cannot convert him. So such artists ababi nama nelike to ama-soap afana nabo Sidingo, wena your Scandal,
Yeah,
wena
yeah.
your Generation, but ukhonile ukuthi ayithathe ayifake ku-Generation asustain ngayo. And azasikhohlise nokuthi kumele akhiphe isibhamu now and then, kumele athi phawu now and then, kumele athi your rubberneck now and
Now
then.
and yeah. But I think for me oye waba okay ended up ne difficult ukum accepta from a character endibe introduced kuye ngayo. This gentleman or actor uCosmo ku Generations. From ukumbheka kwi Yizo and then you come to I think it's place called Home.
Uyo sikhuluma ngayo uRodney Nyaka.
Yeah, place called Home. Lama characters lawa wadlale kada. That was theater. And then wafika ku I felt like Generation is imfake boxing ntanga like because we expected so much knowing him, even though he managed to deliver the character
Yeah.
bamnikeze yona.
Let me on his defense.
Yeah.
Eat or be eaten. The script was take it or leave it. Cause each generation in a mode ehamba ngayo.
Ihamba nga
Hey, what?
Hey,
And
Mr.
wena
Fundi.
siyakunida kwamanye ama-artists they don't need you because they need you. They need you because of your
ufiti character
because of your ama-viewers wako, of your timeline kuma Facebook.
Yeah.
But when we bring this person, we are going to have 20,000 yama artists azohamba naye ajoin i-crew ye-Generation. Abazange ukuzobhekela i-Generation, baze ukuzobhekela i-artist lapho.
but asidrophi singama viewers if ever i-performance that he was giving us from indlela esikwazi ngayo to le esiza kuyo ke ngoku such as maybe le ya 20,000 asuke nayo from Yizo senza umzekelo from Yizo and then a place called Home and then he gained 20,000 followers and then makaza ku Generations he's not that person ebesimazi from ngokuya asadrophi ke ngoku singama viewers
Angithi i-Generation inama-viewers wayo
already, yeah.
So it's not hayi ukuthi they are expecting a 20,000. Ba-expect leyo 5,000 ezo-eda ku-Generation.
Yeah.
So should he come naleyo 20,000 yonke it's a bonus. Should he get extra, then it's extra money for each generation.
Okay.
Yayibona.
Yeah.
So abambizi ngoba bathi naba expected the whole 20,000. Bambiza because uzoza necrew yakhe adonse nabanye ukuthi nabe sebamkhohliwe.
Sebamkhohliwe.
Yayibona. From this number enayo i-Generation uzo add le 5,000 ezobe imlandele. Yayibona plus mhlawumbe 10 15.
Yeah. Don't you think mhlawumbe baya ama productions abaya aya contributor ekufeni kuma careers wama artists more than social media does with izinto ze AI? Anyone can just watch videos izokuyenza monologue and then from screen sasendlini espeedini abe like I can do this thing and then because of our connections seka actor ku Generations or whatever, but kuwo lama artists esithetha ngawo that we know from i-performances zabo kuma previous shows esibabhekelele kuzo, don't you think kuba ngaba ama productions abaye basebenza kuwo njengoba isikhathi besiloke sihamba a contribute kakhulu in destroying i-careers zabo?
MK lo mbuzo ngibuza kumele ngibe careful.
Yeah.
Kumele ngibe careful.
Okay.
Angakayenza breakthrough yami.
Yeah.
Yayibona. So lo mbuzo ngibuza wona kumele ngazi ukuthi uma nguphendula already mhlawumbe ku director engibhekile said lo othi sibulala ama artists.
Yeah. I feel
Sengivalela
like sewuyiphendulile. Yeah.
Yayibona.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sengiphendulile ngaleyo. Asiyeke wena bro.
Asiyeke.
Yeah.
Let's look at art. I like that Kencoko yethu we refer to what was happening then and then see compare it to now. let's look at art as a whole. Compared to what was happening 10, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, to what's happening ngoku kwi-art, especially ngendlela nje e-expresswa ngayo, because art is expression, ngendlela e-expresswa ngayo, how would you say it has I don't know if evolve waligama eligrand na, but ichinje kanjani?
Eish,
Because ichintshile.
ichintshile
Yeah,
kakhulu,
ichintshile.
ichintshile kakhulu. Because immediately ukhuluma leyo, I'm thinking of the artists that are on social media manje begging for assistance. Yabona. Ukuthi this artist hayi ngoba bewe engese nesedisa acting. They are still acting. However, that means finance is not the same like before. Yabona. If finance
Anyone
is
can
still
replace you ngoku.
anyone can replace you, I'm sorry. And if finances are still the same, so that means things are expensive. Life of an artist, it is inside a tin. We spend a lot of hours shooting. As for that, most yama side hustles are valuable because the little time you have, you need to pay your account. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, you find yourself or spend from a production and you've been there 6 o'clock until 6 o'clock or 12 o'clock midnight. Salary is still the same. Yeah, Yvonne.
Yeah, true.
So as time evolves, as the art evolve nayo, things are becoming expensive ngaphandle. You are still getting the same 60,000 per month. You are living a centime. I-rent akusase 12,000. Sekuyi 20,000. Because it's not about you are expected to live a certain standard. But most of our production abantu they think ukuthi ama artists once seka, or even the soccer stars once seka phila lempilo uziphilisa impilo enzima. No, it's not them living impilo enzima. I-production is a Rosebank or reproduction is a SABC Auckland Park, and you're expected to be there at 6 o'clock. Even if no nemoto, uzophuma skati bandla. Yebo. So you need to come near ispan sakho la sekhona.
Sure,
And near
sure.
ispan sakho la sekhona kula ukuthi na indawo iyadura khona. Because when the production is in Rosebank, even the nearby is phambi Rosebank, the bachelor uyithola 87,000 a month. You don't even sleep with that bachelor because you spend your time kuma production. You need to pay for those, and you still need to maintain at home. Yebo. So thina masikubheka sicabanga ukuthi uyasichomela la, so uyohlala le. Kanti umsebenzi okusondeza eduze ne-production, so that you can stay ulaphaya ungaloku uyenza ama-excuse ukuthi I'm sorry I'm late, bayadineka nabo.
Yabo. Because now we see you appearing maybe for 5 minutes kwi episode ye 27 minutes or 26 minutes. Sikubona maybe uvela for 5 minutes, those 3-4 scenes, and then sizixelela uba awuspendanga ixesha elingako man, ikushuta into encinci kangaka, this thing didn't even take you an hour only to find out ukuthi baba
You arrived at 6 o'clock but ishoot yakho ngo-3.
ingo 3.
Yeah, and you were expected to be there 6 o'clock. Hayi ngo-2, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
And 6 o'clock late in the morning, 6 until 12, you could have done some few hustles. Ugibele ngo-1 ngo-2 ku-production, script, then you remind yourself, then shoot.
Ne.
But you are expected there to be 6 o'clock. Awenzi imali from 6 until can you yenza imali ngo-3 for a 5 minutes shoot.
Yeah. Info. Kulate yabo mawuku podcast nabantu abachatileyo, you must nawe kumele uchate in a way.
Okay.
Ngicinga uba ngaba yinobunkosikazi uzothini ngeli xesha. But before I actually let you go, because I don't want this to be a conversation yethu yokuqala neyokugqibela.
Okay.
I want us to actually continue talking, because there's a lot of things that are going to arise after the conversation here today. But I must ask, I'll keep referencing kuma events that we always had kwi-art apha eThokoza. Ile relationship where kuchiti mama khona and be like angeke nisabuyela kayi, or ile relationship yokuchita kumchita and be like okay, let's restructure and then silungise la simoshe khona siphinde siyenze lento le. What's happening, Tata? Do you think we can mend la kumosheke khona if kwamosheka? I don't know if ever kwamosheka, and then siphinde sibe nayo leya vibe lama events aphinda abuye, i-art iphinde ibe naleya power ye dominance, because i-vibe ebhaya sasiyazi bangaba sizoyifumana kwi-art more than sizoyifumana kuma-clubs or kuma-tavern. Do you think maybe we could ever go back to ezazinto eziya, or what can we do ngoku to, if ever thina asida, to bring those things to us?
Eish, it's a scary question, bro.
Yeah, that's why ndithi
It's a scary question.
girlfriend echitile.
Yeah. I don't think after Tina, when I put one, giye kwaba nama groups as powerful as ours in our age group.
Yeah.
Because why I'm saying this, I was one of the reference around Ekuruleni. Ebengibizwe mfowethu kunento so sicela uzosilungisela production. Yayibona. And before Tina, the likes zabo, the late Spicer. There's a guy that used to be called Spicer.
Okay.
Yeah, he was marvelous on stage. Yabona. The likes zabo Kufutu, ezabo Mzwandile. There's a group that used to be called Ubuhle Bentsha. Angazi mangilibiza right ngoba angumzulu. Bentsha, the youth.
Bentsha.
Yeah.
It's like you're saying Ubuhle Bentsha like a
That's
dog.
why not a dog.
Oh, Bentsha.
Angilungisele lona
Ubuhle Bentsha.
nakho.
Yeah, Bentsha, guys.
Yeah,
Like-
that was
No, ichoko kwakho. I take back what I said. Aibo Buhle Bentsha, guys. He's got the right word. Buhle Bantu. Yes. Hayi indlela nipronounce ngayo amagama.
Ke msotho ntata.
Marathi.
Bentsha.
Ke ndikuxolela siye.
Ngixolele
Yeah,
mfowethu.
siyeke.
Yabona. Those yabona, the likes zabo Elliot Makuba.
Sure,
Yabona.
sure.
Elliot Makuba, he's still running even today.
Okay.
Yabona, or our artist. Ubaba ka Bettina.
Okay.
Usis Bettina lapha kwe-SABC1. Yabona. So those artists, they groomed us. Yabona.
Yeah,
And azamba benamona, they didn't give us only the production. They also gave us on the logistics side, the management, how to keep a group. Yabona.
Yeah.
So when they started to drop down, mhlawumbe artists ebabhayizisa sebabhekana nemisebenzi, we were not left hanging. Yabona. We knew our stories ukuthi basishiya ngani. Yabona. But after that, when Abraham esayitini lethu, when we were supposed to share this art, ngalesikhathi sicoshwa ezikolweni, ngalesikhathi isicoshwa e-youth center. Have you seen youth center njani?
Yo.
Have you seen the auditorium njani?
Yo.
Have you seen ngiyangikhalisa lezi zinto na bro
Yo.
because
And these buildings, if ever bezisasebenza,
they
Ngezingekho,
they
so-
didn't collapse because they were supposed to collapse. They collapsed because akekho umuntu beke sa report ukuthi hey there's a crack lapha ya. Yebo, because they were meant to vele ama structure kudala ngasa maintain. But when we were there, even a broken window besikhona ku report ukuthi "Eish," even the sliding door besikhona ku report ukuthi
I-sliding doors
akusavaleki.
asavaleki,
Yayibona this and umnyango besikhona ukuthi before ama toilet ngenkathi zethu azange utshontshwe mpompi azange utshontshwe amani yebo everything was okay because we were the securities zalaphaya and the same artist is the same youth lezi ezisitotu ezathi abajita angeke ngithi ama gangster but abajita abasekasi and stuff besidonsa bona sithi hayi nasi sipansula chance yebo and by joining they would become a security yalaphaya because they would rebuke each other.
Yabona.
Yayibona.
Sure.
So after Tina, where were we going to give this youth? Akunala besizoyinika khona. Cause angeke ngize ngilethele I've tried uma ngifike Eden Park. There's a house, a White House laphaya. Yabona.
Yeah.
Today moyofuna isikhiya sikho bakutshela ukuthi hey iyana one mention names yabo ngazama ukuthatha abantwana ngabayisa ekhaya ngisahlala ekhaya before ngibana kwami yebo ngisayisa abantwana ekhaya ngiqeda utshani basekhaya itimer linked ukuthi angiqedela utshani yayibona so it wasn't going anywhere and it didn't have the weight nakubazali because bengathi siyadlala uma nipractice estradini
Estradini,
yayibona
true,
cabanga an artist from the auditorium the youth an artist because I profile sayibeka yayibona we were supposed to be respected at the time siku youth desk yase police station siku leadership forum triple C sihlala we dine with the councillors yabona yet siyastruggle ngiyayibona
Yeah.
mina at this time I was looking at ukuthi at this time bekumele like us ngibe one of the artists ukuthi I'm getting isalary ngitholayo la ngispana khona but through art ikhona uku-encourage because it's not about you can even if unganika a council uthako volunteer for 2 months uyokutshela ukuthi kumele ngibhadale imoto
Yabo.
kumele ngibhadale
Kumele
indlu.
ngibhadale
Yabona?
indlu, yeah,
So what
yeah.
makes him to love his job is because he's getting a certain salary hayi ngoba athanda imali hayi ngoba ngizobe ngithanda imali mangithi give me a salary I will go back ezikolweni ngiyovusa iart and a permanent position in a way yayibona because mina I still believe ukuthi na leyo art I can still revive it but now what locks me is ngine family I'm married nabantwana I'm working there's a car that I'm paying yabona so I need to think ukuthi mangizothi I'm going back for a stipend I can't
Doesn't make sense.
it doesn't make
Yeah,
sense
it doesn't make
but
sense.
if I can get equivalent to and a permanent post I will do art because into engisayithanda wena
Okay.
I can go ekolweni ngiyorevive
Yeah.
kabuhlungu futhi.
Kabuhlungu. Yebo.
I can start those shows ngihlala siziyenze ezikolweni
Yeah,
because every
yeah,
Friday
yeah.
we used to go the likes is i-teacher yase sitting primary school we had a relationship emhlodi encubela elratadime tshwaragano even to our sister schools Esprit we had that relationship bese basazi ukuthi na each and every Friday we were bringing a show and besingachachi kakhulu because imali had value at the time besithi no matter how much ongabhadalisa ama student thina sisifunela only 350 per show we are bringing 2 hours show into your school give us 350 if noma niyenze 1000 kuyimali kulama 500 enwakolokile sisifunela 350 other school they would have that mess and say hey guys isikolekile 1.59 500 or 9700 yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
we were looking
yeah.
for 350
For 350.
that's all
Yo. yeah indaba ze-support ziyahlupha yabo because when you are looking ngoku I think I don't know bangaba zawuthi government obani but into or i-programs ezifumana i-funding kakhulu ngoku sekuyidiski ekasi sekungama-tournaments because zizo ngoku ezizisa abantu endaweni eyi-one but when it comes to other activities ze-art
Zisayithola wena program, I can tell you. Zisayithola but it's not visible anymore. Umuntu engene office enze iproposal then athathe ishow yakhe ayifake e-State Theatre, ayifake e-Market Theatre, e-Main, ayifake e-Windybro Theatre, ayifake yabona go those stages ezinkulu then abantu beze bazobhekelela. The youth of today, they don't know about that language. Yabona thina basigrume kahle sakhula ngalamagama ukuthi from eshow yasesikolweni khona ishow yaseholweni e-art center, khona ishow yaseholweni e-auditorium, khona ishow yaseholweni e-Germiston civic center. Yayibona leto. So we grew up ngazo lezi stage from civic center khona ishow yase-Market Theatre, khona ishow yase-State Theatre. So knowledge by knowledge you could grade kahle yabona, and even to follow them it was easy because the pricing you could see it difference yayo yabona. But i-youth yamanje ekhulayo uma uzomtshela nge-State yethu yini leyo yayibona bese bazimention ngamagama la singafuni kusuka lapho kuye it doesn't make sense yabo. But maka ithole esikolweni wayihalela then it makes sense yabona.
Okay. Of which izigela ezisa-investa kakhulu kwizinto ze-art I think lela side le-KZN.
Igile side le-KZN.
Yeah.
Because the advantage is Gubo, it's even part of their heritage. So angeke ize iphume no matter what.
Ne.
Because even if it's not part of the subject, part a culture ukuthi the child has to grow up knowing this, like it or not.
True.
Eikolweni, I think one of the schools sayenza lento it's Klebuzile. But now it has concentrated into visual art when your cameras if it's still doing.
Yeah.
And umntwana makazomfundisa i-camera angazi ukuthi na le artist ukuthi ngize ngithengise mele liyenzeni yabona. But mawuphuma stage immediately uphamba icamera makavela lapha uzomtshela ukuthi na ayi baba your 3 step is wrong, your first 3 step is wrong. Hence ubona ukekela ngapha into the center stage. Yayibona. Hence ukekela ngapha or ujikele eside eli wrong. The 3/4 positions. Abantwana bazazi those things. Yayibona. The stage itself abasazi ukuthi the edge of the stage isiwela masifika kuphi le khona leliya libizwana yebona, because we have a down left stage, we have a right a down stage, we have a center up stage yebona, we have a left middle stage, we have a center stage. Izinto eziku art lezo into eziku stage before you go into TV. Uma ufike TV, once you know those things uyazi ukuthi na icamera ukuthi ngingashaya ekhaya kumele ngiphelele kophi.
Because fana nakuthi kuma cameras. There was a time where I was doing some online classes ngama cameras, and then I found ukuthi there's 12 yonke yama angles that you can shoot nge camera. Tina we only know wide angle ne close up.
That's all.
And then sizozixelela uba singama photographers, singama in same thing that happens kulama acting industries and all of that. Anyone can just take a phone and as you see emotions, they pretend to be anything, and then our productions will be like, this can be good for industry so, and then bamthathile kanjalo. And ukhumbule uba we've got people who went to ama-varsities, who went to isigela for acting and all of that, and abasazitholi izibhana abanye babo because
and lento oceda ukuyikhuluma it's very important. Other productions they are stacked ngama-artist afike wam-impressa into those profiles yayibona then wam-impressa into the first 3 shoots wamuphi contract. Now it's difficult ukuthi na ungareplace lo muntu because ukuyale phambili uyaqala ubonisa ama-true colors wakhe, ubonisa weakness bakhe and stuff. Kanti bekabambe only this, akatrainwanga lo muntu, ubambe lento ahlala ayiyenza every day until it became part of his daily or her daily lifestyle. Yayibona umupha a script urana ngaso uyaki-impressa ukuyale akunabantu akunanisi yayibona because uhlangene naye iprofile yakhe awunayo eningi ephelele or une profile ayibuilde through ama-profile wabantu azange uzoye kasi uzothi who's this artist, how much do you know this artist, uzwe ngenkulumo zabantu ezingitsho ukuthi mina if I were to be asked cause ekuthe kulesikhathi la kungana I'm not saying I'm old but at that time ama camera and stuff bewangekho we didn't besinga afford, not to say bekangekho besingawa afford yabo. Ispan sam asikho kuma archives, ispan sam sisemilomini yenu abantu
and
abangaziwa kutshela ukuthi mfowethu kanjani
yawazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Hence ngithi uma uzoyilahlela lento ku social abangaziyo bazokutshela ukuthi hayi angiclaim wona,
angiclaim nyamazi
yeah and ispan sami ngiyasazi yabona, and I hated ukuthi I didn't get the opportunity, and I hated ukuthi I was multi-talented ngijumpa from this ship to that yabo. Uyangifuna sengisebholweni I'm doing well, uyangifuna sengurugby I'm doing well, uyangifuna sengukarate I'm doing well, uyangifuna sengiyagijima I'm doing well yabona. Everything I touched it turned into a gold, but gold that became sour yabona, or that became unrecognized yabona kwindawo ezisharp, because I would be called SABC ngishaya isipani ngelanga lokugcina or la kumele kusidonswe khona somehow into zami ziyavaleka.
Ikeshem. I think it's a story of ubombetu as blacks, especially from the townships. Ukuthi you can see the light, then masoqala ukuthi uyayibamba kuvele ukuthi bam. Mfo ngifuna ukukukhulula mfo. I know there's abanye abantu ababukeleyo ngoku that actually know you from eBholeni. Bangaba usisikhulu, we coach ngapha. Are you running a football club or an academy?
A football club.
A football club. Yeah. We will talk about that kumanyamalanga when I invite you. Yeah, we'll get to that chapter. But for now, I wanted us to actually focus on a chapter nje arts. Chapter nje arts, because there's a lot of things that are happening, especially kuma artists who know. When I go to Facebook, especially kuma artists who are when I go to Facebook, amachita are demotivated, are discouraged. Yabona. Others are saying, siya studio, siya record to music, siya upload, you guys are not listening to it and all of that. I think of abantu abafana nani, because you knew how to create a project, and then you knew how to market a project, and then how to make their project ubangaba mayibe in demand. Of which some artists know they fail on the level. Ngicabanga ukuthi once you go into a studio, wayenza production yakho, wayigqiba, and then so succeeded. There's promotion, there's zonke izinto ekufanele ukuthi mazenzeke, and we need abantu abafana nani kwi-art, because I tell you ukusuka kwakho kwi-art wafocusa kwezinye izinto because of everything that's happening and a disadvantage i-art we've lost C community, we've lost kakhulu, and we thank God ngokuthi sine opportunity yokucela lonto leyo ube usaphila. We are not talking of umsebenzi wakho la ungasekho khona, where you're not even going to know ukuthi how much do we appreciate of izinto zenzile for umphakathi. For me personally, I wish there was a way that we could like get you back into this thing art. Yabo, because I know ezandleni zakho I even trust nami ukuthi noma kungathiwa mandio actor mandio thini, even if I don't even have a background acting, but with the isandla sakho and guidance yakho I know bangaba I can do wonders. Yabo, so we need to see izinto so, and we need to create a history that's not going to fade with ama voices wethu, but that's going to stay there, be recorded. Even after 100 years to come, we will say, look at abantu so that we're doing this thing ngendlela right. Yabo, because now kusaid we saying art yangoku ayifani ne art yakudala, but we do not have i-archives vele ze-art yakudala, so abantu abayazi bangabasithetha ngantoni. You know, izinto ezi-explainer verbally zihlala ziza ngokwe-meaning yami, nawe uzo-explainer ngokwe-meaning yakho, and then in most cases siyashifta kwi-point. Yabo, so no, ngifuna ukukubulela for actually taking this time. I know us going back to ubomi bakho usaphila kwi-art and all of that, sizise ama-memories that amanye mahle amanye awekho right. Ungafika nasendlini kube ngathi ceda ukudliwa ikhosi, yabo, akukhulunyiswana yonke lento le, simply because of i-art, yabona, because that was one of the way bewuzi-expressa ngayo, yabo. So ukungabikho kwakho kwi-art means bangaba seyikhona le ndlela ongasakwazi ukuzi-expressa ngayo, or there's this personality engasakwazi ukumanifesta ngoku, yabo. So izinto ezinjalo man ziyamosha umuntu. We would think ukuthi abantu ba-stresswa izinto zasendlini, only to find out ukuthi no man, this is social.
Yeah. What used to speak for me, ayisayenzeki ngaleyo ndlela, because the field enguyo, the nice part is it's still a community, it still gives back to the community, but the field, but not the environment. The environment enguyo, it's contained ifana nomwenza inbound, la ukuthi you can only speak but you cannot go out. So it has logged zonke izinto engithi ngiyazithanda, yabona, but I appreciate it because it puts a bread on my table. Yes.
Hey, life has turned man ngenye indlela. We now appreciate means zokuphila, more than what actually speaks with the souls zethu. Info no man mandikutetele because nama questions amaninzi and nama topics amanye ayavela, of which andifuni ba abantu baqhubele babukela sebebhoreka, yabo. Ikhona la nto yokozelela kwi-episode, not because conversation iyabhora, but you guys have been talking for too long. So bafethu, ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe guys. Subscribe. Whenever you are watching, cofera ukusubscribe. Maso subscribeile, cela ulike, comment, ushare. You guys remember Uta Gift. I know you remember him. If ever there's any moments or any memories that you still have, guys, I want us to actually work on him psychologically. Yabona, simkhumbuze nga those moments. Maybe we will actually find a way yokumconvince into fighting for art, because ngendlela athetha ngayo, like now uyabona mfethu, uyabona ukuthi ayisekho sezandleni zakho. Info ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Kubulela mina data. Ndiyathetha manje, noma so khulume ngetlapa yami kabi akusenani.